equal to $15 million. Hi, I am sure that you heard of NFTs or non-fungible token, that even some of them being sold for millions of dollars. I noticed the name of the first NFT was Quantum, that has been sold for $1.4 million. However, unlike its name, looks like it has nothing to do with quantum physics or quantum computing. So I decided to make NFTs with the help of a real quantum computer. I think it's cool that building NFTs with these complicated and expensive computers, that only there's few of them in the world. In one of the previous videos, I explained what is the quantum computer and how you can have access to one of them. As usual, I'm using PyCharm for writing Python code. Okay, here I'm importing needed libraries, and here building a quantum circuit with 5 qubits and putting 4 of the qubits in the superposition state and creating entanglement between 2 qubits. Superposition and entanglement are two strange phenomena that make quantum computers very different from ordinary computers. Here connecting my laptop to one of the IBM's quantum computers. After that, executing quantum circuit and getting the results from quantum computer, which is a number that can be from 0 to 31. Remember, this number is based on the qubits that were in the superposition state before they get measured. Therefore, each time we run the code, it can give us a different number that no one can predict. In this for loop, we will use that number to draw a shape with the help of Turtle library. Okay, now let's run the code. Now it has started to draw. This is the final shape. Let's run the code again. This time it gives us this beautiful shape. Now let's put it up for sale on the OpenSea website. I'm not greedy, so I'm setting the price at 5,500 Ethereum, equal to $15 million. With this money, hopefully I can buy a quantum computer to play with. Please subscribe to my channel to see more projects like this.